These legit apps will pay you anytime you receive SMS on your phone. You're not going to do any work. It's a source of passive income. Just let the app run in the background and you get paid. Now, we're going to look at these apps. There are about 5 of them I'm going to show you today. So all you need to do is make sure you own an Android phone before you even get started. If you don't own an Android phone, just skip this video. It's not for you. Meanwhile, if today is your first time, please subscribe to the channel. Give a like, comment, and share the video. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back. So the first app that we're going to look at is called smsprofit.net. Now you're going to head over to your Google Play Store and download this app. So you're going to follow 6 simple process. The first one is to download the app. After you download the app, you install it on your phone and then register and launch the app. You're going to register with your email address and make sure you confirm your email address. The problem you guys have is that after signing up to these money making apps or websites, you don't like confirming your email address. If you don't confirm your email address, you cannot make money from them. You need to go to your email and make sure that you confirm it. So make sure that during the registration, you have email address that you have access to, so that when they send the email confirmation, you'll be able to confirm your email address and proceed to the next step. All right. And then after confirming your email address, you're now going to connect the app to the internet, thereby verifying your phone number. So make sure you're using one phone number per account. All right. So after verifying your phone number, you're going to keep the app running in the background. You're not going to do anything. So you start receiving SMS, and whenever you receive SMS, you get paid. Now, the best part is the minimum payout for this one is $1.50. Once you hit $1.50, you're good to go and cash out. And another one that interests me is because the payout method is PayPal, which is good. So you have instant payout for this one. Okay, you earn between 0.02 cents per SMS. You're not going to reply to the SMS. It's just a generated code or simple SMS that will be sent to you, to your phone, inside the particular app that you're using. It will be sent inside that app. You're not going to do anything. You're not going to reply to those SMS and you're good to go. And the next one on our list is called McMoney or cm.com. Okay, McMoney will also pay you simply for receiving SMS or text messages on your phone. You are going to get paid real money for helping them improve worldwide communication. So how to earn with this one? You're going to get started in 4 simple steps. The first step is to download the app from Google Play Store, and step 2 is to install the app on your phone. Then register your number, that's your phone number, and then you start making money. So by letting them send you text messages to your phone, you are allowing them to test and improve mobile operations. So simply put, you help them help mobile operators to work together. So each SMS you receive adds more money to your McMoney bank, which is real money. So you're going to just earn cash by just installing the app. They will send you random text SMS messages once in a while. You earn money for each received text. So the amount of money you're going to make from these apps depends on the number of SMS you get per day or at any given time. And again, don't forget that it is strictly for Android users. So if you're not using Android phone, don't worry, don't bother going there. You will not be accepted. Okay. And another thing is that it takes from anywhere in the world. So location is not a barrier for this one. You can download this app. I actually tried doing one of them using my Nigerian account, my Nigeria Google account, and I was able to download the app, and I've started earning on that particular app as I speak to you now. It follows the same process. Download it, install it, let it run in the background, and let the SMS start coming in. You're not going to respond to them, but you get paid each time SMS comes into the phone. And the third one is cash for SMS. So you're also going to download the app, and it is 100% secure and profitable. So your privacy is very, very important to them. Here they said sell your international SMS for up to 0.04 cents each, and local SMS costs 0.02 cents for each SMS to local numbers. So it is new and available for everyone. So you're going to get paid for every SMS you receive on your phone. The app is available worldwide. You can try the app for making money with incoming or outgoing SMS, or even both. So it depends on the one you want to go for. If you want to go for incoming, you can go for that. If you want to go for outgoing, you can go for that. So earnings on outgoing is about 0.01 to 0.04 cents. So you're going to sell SMS you aren't using. Check if your mobile plan includes local or international SMS. You can earn on both. So you're going to earn for incoming SMS between 0.02 cents. It's available for everyone. So you're going to receive and get paid with their easy to earn passive money SMS app. So for international SMS, the app will be sending your SMS to different countries. You can choose your options according to your mobile plan and their payout, of course. Check if it is okay for you. For incoming, this channel is used to test the SMS delivery channel in different countries. If the tests are successful, you will get a payout for every SMS received. So for disclaimer, it says we do not guarantee incoming SMS. The app does not work for everyone. The app can be disconnected at any time. So the app does not work for everyone, because I tried using another phone of mine, which is also an Android phone, to check it out, but I couldn't download it. So it might not work for you, but that doesn't mean that it doesn't work. And the next one on our list is Control My SMS. So you're going to also get paid for receiving SMS on your Android phone. For more information, it says contact us. So once you come to their website, which is controlmysms.com, you're going to click on download the app. So you're going to go use your phone, go to Google, type this controlmysms.com, and then from the website you'll see this download application. Then you download it. You will not find this one on Google Play Store. You have to come to their website to get it. So once you come here, then click on download button and then download the app. It will just download automatically into your phone, and that is how you get started from this one. And then the last one on our list is moneysmsapp.com, which I'm currently using right now. So this one pays you, like I can attest to this one. It's the same process. You're also going to go to their website, search for moneysmsapp.com, and then download the app. You cannot download the app through Google Play Store. I tried it, I couldn't find it there. So once you go there, once you come to their website, you can then download the app. So you're going to receive SMS on your phone and get paid. Earn money from your smartphone with no costs or hidden fees. With the Money SMS app, it's 100% safe, absolutely free, and you won't need to lift a finger. That is the best part of this one, guys. You're not going to do anything. You're not going to lift a finger. You're not going to be bothered about the SMS. Just let it come into the phone. You won't even know when it comes in. So how to earn from this app is just to download it. Like I said, step 1, you're going to install it from here. Grant permission. Then you're going to go to your phone setting or security or lock screen and enable unknown sources to allow application to install. Okay, from sources outside the Play Store. Because you're not downloading it from the Play Store, you need access. So you can allow access on your phone because the app is completely legit. Then after you download it, you can take a video tour to learn more. But after you download the app, you're going to register with your email address and your phone number. So once you confirm your email address, like I said, always confirm your email address. Okay, then after you confirm your email address, you then start getting SMS. Now mind you, the amount of SMS you get depends on your location. So the number of SMS I get from where I am might not be the same with you. So I use the Nigerian account and I use the Nigerian phone number to register. So it took a bit of time before I started getting SMS. It took like 2 to 3 days before I started receiving SMS on that app. So make sure you have enough balance and turn on SMS sending in the main screen, or this is for SMS sending. Okay, if you want to send SMS, the app will then automatically send up to 50 test SMS per month. Then you will earn 0.50 cents for each. Then if you want to also enable call testing, you can allow the app to make silent test calls to your device in the settings. These calls won't interrupt your day, bringing you 0.02 cents per test calls with zero effort. You won't be charged anything. So you're not going to be charged a dime. They'll just do the call testing without you paying anything. And but I haven't enabled the SMS sending. I only have the SMS receiving. So I receive SMS. I've received like 5 SMS so far. And yeah, so they also have referral program where you invite people. You make 0.25 cents as a bonus, and the person you're referring will also make 0.25 cents. So if you want to make 0.25 cents, use my referral code and sign up. You will earn 0.25 cents, while I will also earn 0.25 cents. So it is important that you use my code. I will leave the code in the description box so that you can access it and use it to sign up. Okay, so you're going to earn money by receiving tests or sending tests or even test calling on your Android phone. No payments required on your side. They will pay you instead. No risks, no scams. All your data is 100% protected. So you're going to come here and download the app. And they also pay out using PayPal, Bitcoin, and Litecoin. So the payment process is easy, and the minimum payout is €2 for this one. Once you hit €2, go ahead and cash out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you're going to try them out, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section if you download the app and if it works for you. And don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, share the video, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And I will see you guys in the next one.